Assalamu alaikum, dear Arabic learners. I have designed this Quranic Arabic Simplified course with two goals. First, so that you can learn Arabic and Quran at the same time. And for this, I used examples only from the Quran. This way, you apply the Arabic grammar rules you're learning directly to understand the Quranic verses. Secondly, you benefit by learning Arabic vocabulary only from the Quran. This will save you time from learning many Arabic words which you will not use day to day. Now, if you want to learn Arabic to speak, the best approach is to learn a commonly used Arabic dialect from the Middle East, which is quite different from the Quranic Arabic. The formal Arabic of the Quran is not used for day-to-day speaking in the Arab world. However, after learning from this course, you will be able to read regular Arabic books. And most importantly, InshaAllah, you will understand the Quran directly in Arabic to enjoy the eloquence, beauty, and power of the Quranic verses. So my lessons will summarize and shorten the Madinah Arabic Grammar books because I only use verses from the Quran and I skip the long exercises. Let's get started. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I'm Afifa and I welcome you to my Quranic Arabic Simplified Lesson 1. I will keep these lessons short so you don't have to spend too much time learning Arabic grammar. Today's lesson will cover parts of the Arabic speech. English has 8 parts of speech, but Arabic only has 3. Either a word is a noun, a verb, or a particle. Ism means noun, fi'l means verb, and harf is particle, which is neither a verb or a noun. For example, Bismillahi. Here the B that you hear in the beginning is a particle and it means in the name of Allah. When you say InshaAllah, it is 3 words. The first word, in, it means if, and it is a particle. A particle can be used with a verb or a noun. In this case, it is used with the verb sha'a, which means will. So here it means if Allah wills. We will study nouns first since it is more complicated than the verbs. In Arabic, as we said, there are 3 parts of speech. The first is ism, which is a noun, fi'l, which is a verb, and harf, which is a particle. So ism includes the categories of pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs that are separate categories in English. And we will study these later. But they all fall into ism. Okay, and in Arabic, fi'l covers all verbs in English. So all words besides the ism and the fi'l are harf, particles. Kalimat in Arabic means words. And as we said, the kalimat are of 3 types. They are ism, noun, fi'l, verb, and harf, particle. For example, baytun means house and it's a noun. Dhahaba means to go or went and it involves action. So it is fi'l. Ila means to and it is a harf, particle. So here is a nice chart that shows the parts of speech in the Arabic language that we've already covered. They are ism, fi'l, and harf. As I said before, the categories in English, such as pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, interjections, all fall into the category of ism, noun. And you do not have to learn these Arabic terms right now, since we have lessons to cover all of these categories in the future, inshallah. Verb fi'l is the same as in English, and harf will cover things like also prepositions and conjunctions. Again, something that we will study in the future, inshallah. This is another chart showing the same three major categories. So for today, I would like you to please learn these Arabic terms of ism for noun, and to know that all these categories in English are included in the noun. And you should know this term fi'l, which means verb, and harf, we said, was a particle, and categories such as the conjunction and the preposition are included in this category of harf. Next lesson, I will cover definite and indefinite nouns. If you stay regular with watching these videos, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshaAllah. If this video benefited you, please do like and subscribe and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.